Fire. You spirit of lust. Fire. You spirit husband. Fire. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Talk to me, I'll send fire. Come on, who are you? In the name of Jesus.
I'm her husband.
You are a husband?
Yes.
How long have you had her?
Since she was young. Since she was very young. I torment her. She cannot have peace.
What else?
Children. Anytime she conceives, I take the children so that there can be no joy. No peace in her life.
How many children have you taken?
A
How
lot.
many children?
A lot.
How many from her?
I can't count. I can't count. A lot. A lot. A lot.
You've taken a lot from her.
Yes.
When last was she pregnant?
Let me see.
When?
Last 2 months. She
how
conceived.
Last month?
Yes. Last 2 months. She conceived. I came. I took the baby. When she was asleep.
What did you give to her? How did you take the baby? Come and talk to me.
I give her food in the gym.
You gave her food in the gym.
Yes.
What kind of food?
I give her food.
Food. Talk to me in the name.
I give her fruit.
Why you want to destroy her home?
She belongs to me.
She belongs to you.
Yes.
Who gave her to you? Who gave her to you?
She belongs to me.
Who gave her to you? She can't belong to you without somebody giving her to you.
I take it for myself.
You take her for yourself.
Yes.
Why?
Because she's my wife.
She's your wife.
Yes.
For how long have you married her? What do you do for her? If you're her husband, what do you do for her? Fire. Come and talk to me in the name of Jesus. What do you do for her? Nothing. Nothing. You just want to destroy her.
Yes.
All over your body. Are you ready to go?
I'm going.
Eh? Are you ready to go?
I'm going.
And you never come back.
I'm going.
And you never come back.
I'm going.
And you never come back.
I am going.
I say, and you never come back.
Yes.
You never come back.
I'm going.
Now, in the authority of the name of Jesus, go. Go. It's free. It's free. No more. I told you will know when it's going. She's free. Tuli.
I'm so happy for her. I've suffered a lot with her. I even lost my job trying to save her.
No, hug her, don't run away. It's your daughter.
I'm here with a sister who was in the service on Sunday. She's just here to testify of the Lord's goodness. Could you please tell us your name and how long you've been coming to Christ Ambassadors Church?
My name is Thuli Eze. I've been coming to church for 2 weeks now.
You've been coming for 2 weeks. And in the 2 weeks that you've attended Christ Ambassadors Church, what changes have happened in your life?
I have changes because I got my deliverance last Sunday because I was suffering from a spiritual husband. And
Okay, could you elaborate more about what you were suffering from? You said you were suffering from a spiritual husband. What was happening?
I couldn't sleep at night. I always have waist pains, my stomach pains. So that was the problem I had. And in my marriage, we used to fight. Sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I would just not feel like talking to my husband. I would just hate him. I just don't want him around me. So that were the problems that I was having.
So this spirit that was fighting you all the time, that you were feeling so low and depressed, caused problems in your marriage.
Yes.
And how is your marriage now after the deliverance?
After my deliverance, everything is going well at home. We are always happy. In the morning, I'm not feeling those things that I used to feel. Everything is just going well. And I thank God for everything that He has done in my family.
On Sunday, you were present for the service. I take it Thuli is your daughter, the one who was delivered on Sunday?
Yes. She's my beloved daughter.
Okay. What I want to find out is, in the relationship that you've had with your daughter, what changes have you seen in her life before and after the deliverance?
You know, before the deliverance, we used to have so many problems because she normally fought with her husband. There were times when it got real bad. Then we had to call. We were called, and then we had to drive to Rodiport and try to calm the situation down. But then now I'm happy now because, as she has given you the testimony, I think the situation has improved. It has improved a lot. We started. I think we started having that problem with her a few years ago. I think it was, if I'm not mistaken, it was in 2004. 2004, 2003, when she was doing grade 9. There was a time when she couldn't write her exams. So we never understood what was the problem. We struggled a lot. But we thank God that God has been good to us. Through the journey that we have traveled with her, it was a very tough journey.
So after Sunday, would you say that what God has done for you is reunite your family together?
Yes. Yeah. I should think the deliverance has reunited the family together because I'm seeing changes, although it's too early to say it, but then now I think there is a lot of improvement.